Hi everyone, welcome to Debug Vlogs. So in this video I will explain Wipro versus Cognizant. So actually lots of question I'm receiving regarding that which company should I choose, and few of the question I'm receiving like Wipro versus Cognizant, Cognizant versus TCS and all. So I will make a series like which company you should choose, and all video will be in English, so don't worry about that language. In this video I will explain which company should you choose if you are selected in both company like Wipro and Cognizant. So this video will be basically for Wipro versus Cognizant. So let me explain few of the points which company you should choose if you are fresher. Like first job is always special, and also it has ability to rotate your career. Like it has ability, let's say if you want to work in web development, and let's say in X company you got big data and all and anything, so you don't have much interest in big data, you want to work in web development. So that's why I'm saying, so in this way, if you have interest in a particular domain and you are getting in another domain as a fresher, then you, and if you join in that domain only and you worked for 2 years or 3 years, and then if you want to switch, then based on your experience you can switch only on that domain that you have worked. So that's why I'm saying this has ability, like first job has ability to rotate your career 360. So now which company should you choose, like Wipro or Cognizant? First of all, I will tell you mostly like whatever companies like these two, basically if I say like Wipro or Cognizant, mostly this company are similar. Like based on your experience, whatever experience you will receive, it will depend on project to project and team to team. So let's say you and your friend both are going in a particular X company. Let's say your friend got a project with a good manager and good team, and you join in different team, let's say, and that manager is not so good, so you will face some problem. So that's why I'm saying mostly experience depends on person to person and project to project and team to team. So these point I will cover, what exactly you have to think about before joining a particular company. So these main points I have listed, like training, salary in enhanced salary bond, project, job security, work life balance, work location, and so I will explain my point of view as well, so that it will help for you also, because as per my experience I am telling you all thing. Let me explain about the training. So basically training you will get in both company, that Cognizant and Wipro as well. So in Wipro you will get training around 3 to 4 months. So that training is based on like, so first of all let me tell you, these whatever information I am telling you, you will not get in any social media network, because I am just explaining my point of view and my friends point of view. Whoever join, my friends and my colleagues and seniors are there, so I am just explaining after talking to minimum 10 people. Like for a particular company I'm talking, after talking 10 people, then I'm explaining about this experience and all. So training you will get in both organization, 3 to 4 months, approx you will get in Wipro, and in Cognizant you will get training around 3 months approx. So if I talk about training, so if you are joining as a fresher, then training is very important criteria for a particular fresher. So if I say which company's training is best, so Wipro's training is best, but I'm not saying Cognizant will not provide a good training. They also provide good training. If you say out of 10, how will you rate to Cognizant and Wipro? So out of 10 I will rate 8 to Wipro and 7.5 to Cognizant. So you can assume not much difference, but you can assume that Wipro's training is a little bit best. Next point is salary and enhanced salary. Talking about fresher, so as a fresher you will get a salary as a 3.5 LPA in Wipro, and as a fresher in Cognizant you will get little bit higher, 4.5, but after 1 year you will get 4.5. First year you will get 4 LPA, 4.01 LPA approx. So in hand if I talk, then you will get as a fresher you will get 26,000 in Cognizant for the first year, and then you will get 30,000 for after first year, and you will get 23 or 24 approx and then after 1 year they will provide you 3.9 something. So after 1 year it will around 27 or 26,000 approx in Wipro. So after salary, the main reason why maximum candidate are joining Cognizant is bond. Yes, actually in Cognizant there is no bond. You can join anytime and you can leave after serving notice period. So I will talk about notice period as well. So let me explain bond regarding that Wipro. In Wipro, approx 15 month or 12 month approx that a bond is there, depends on upon that position and all. So it's vary from 12 month to 24 months. So 1 to 2 years it's vary, depends on depending on your position and all. So for BTech it's around 1 year. BTech student for it's around 1 year. So this is all about bond, and the best thing in Cognizant is there is no bond. So talking about notice period, so notice periods in Cognizant and Wipro is same as of now. Earlier in Cognizant it was 2 months, but now onwards it's 3 months, and in Wipro also it's a 3 months notice period. So talking about next point, project, job security, work life balance, and work location and all. So one thing I will mention, like in any organization you will join, that you will get a particular you will get support from your seniors, HR, and whether colleague are there in your team. So don't worry, as a fresher you will get full support from all guys. Like in an organization, like 99% persons are there, like they will guide you perfectly, but few of them they might be they might not guide you. So don't worry, if you are joining as a fresher in any organization, go with that, whatever company you are selected, go with that. After watching this, decide yourself. So next thing, project. So project in every company, whatever service based company are there, like TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, and whatever company are there, so all companies are same. So whatever clients they have, so basically they are providing service to different client. They have all types of project, let's say support project and development project and all. So don't worry, it's fully depends on your training result, projects and all, like whatever project you did in your BTech career, and also that based on that result, whatever training you will get, after training you have to appear some examination in both, like in Wipro as well as in Cognizant. So based on that marks and all thing, you will get particular project. So don't worry about that, go with any company and give your best while doing examination and all. So overall, if I talk about Glassdoor reviews and all, so you can see that Cognizant has 3.8 star out of 5 and Wipro has 3.7. So career opportunity both are same, and as you can see that compensation, that Cognizant little bit higher, as I explained that about that salary. Work life balance, you can see both companies has same, both company having same number of working hour. In Cognizant most of the people are saying 10 hour it is working hour. No, it is not 10 hour. So next is the work location. Like if you talk about Wipro and Cognizant, you will get to know Wipro's work location, like office location is more number like compared to Cognizant. Let me explain you example, in Odisha, in Bhubaneswar, Wipro office is there, but Cognizant they haven't opened yet in Odisha, Bhubaneswar. So this you can say the difference is not much. Like again, I am saying the same thing, that both company mostly similar. That all experience will depends on person to person, and project to project, and team to team. What team you have deployed and what project exactly you were working. So it's fully depends on that. So if I talk about that conclusion, then let me explain my, if I have to select a particular company, then I have two condition. As a fresher, I will join Wipro because they have good training facilities and assessment system, and also it is bit safe option. If I talk about as experience, if I have to select in this company, then I will select the Cognizant, because project management processes and all, hikes and all these things, good thing in Cognizant. I would suggest you to join Wipro as a fresher, and later you can join Cognizant after a few years of experience. So this is all about that conclusion and all. So still I'm saying depends on project to project and person to person, that experience matters. So based on this I'm explaining. So still you think about it. Definitely all company are like similar. So your growth and all, that's only depends on your skills and how effectively you work in your office and your project and all. So proactively you have to work in your project and all, and you also have to simultaneously you have to work on your skills. So these two or three is like mantras you have to follow IT career. So this is all about this video. If you want to know about another video, like let's say in this series I will explain TCS versus Cognizant and all, and different IBM versus Cognizant and all. If you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel and hit the like button as well, and press the bell icon as well after subscribing this channel, because in subscription there is no charge. You can subscribe this channel, show me some support. Your subscription motivates me, like I have to explain different thing and all. So in future I will explain different thing, like whatever experience I have, based on that I will explain. So hit the like button and press the bell icon. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care.